Complete carnage on Dalal Street. Clearly, Nifty ending nearly 550 points lower. 25,250 is where Nifty is ending today. Bank Nifty, let's also talk about that. About 1,100 points gone over there. Nifty Bank ending at about 51,875, and it was all across the board. Broader markets were also under pressure. Nifty Mid Cap Index lost about 1,350 odd points. All sectoral indices are ending in the red today. About 10.6 lakh crore of market cap erosion is with what we saw on Dalal Street. So yes, a difficult trading session that has come in. Let's also talk about individual sectors and stocks then. Reliance Industries, big boy. The stock was down nearly 4%. It hit its 3-month low today. So yes, Reliance Industries 4% lower. 20812 is where we are ending. Nifty Realty Index, the biggest sectoral loser in today's trading session, down about 3.5%. We had Phoenix Mills down 5.5% today. Godrej Properties and DLF were some of the other losers on the Realty Index, both of them ending with losses of over 5%. Auto stocks were also under pressure. We had some auto sales data that came in on Tuesday. Nifty Auto Index down 3%. We had APL Apollo, which was down 4.5%. Tata Motors down 4%. Maruti was also down nearly 4%. So across the board, across sectors, we saw only one color, and that was red. Let's also talk about Dabur. It came out with its Q2 operational updates, and that was on the weaker side. Management expects revenues to fall. Margins are also expected to be under pressure. 6% gone over there. All of these oil marketing companies were also in focus. We had HPCL, BPCL, IOCL, all of them declining anywhere between 3 to 7% in today's trading session. Let's talk about some of the gainers in an otherwise weak market. Angel One, on account of an Investec note that came in where they've gone ahead and upgraded the target price to 3,000. This was up 4.5%. Alembic Pharma, on the back of a US FDA approval, was also gaining nearly 4 to 4.5%. Two companies on the back of order wins. ITD Cementation, where the company won orders worth about 1940 crores. This stock was soaring, locked in upper circuit of 20%. And we also had Ashoka Buildcon up 2.5% on the back of order wins yet again, 1740 crores. 3 order wins. The stock ending 2.5% higher. Let's talk about Titagarh Rail, some resizing of the order. This stock was down 3.5%. We had KPIT Tech, which was also gaining nearly 1.5% on the back of that brokerage report. But all in all, very weak session on Indian markets. Nifty ending at about 25,250.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.